This is ican in the cooling mode. You see the LED is green. It's been in cooling mode for a while. You can see there's a couple of pieces of ice have been formed. You see this ice? And I've frozen a couple of screwdrivers and a pencil in place, so you can see it is working, and you see the temperature reading is 27 degree F. So this is how ican works. So if you leave it in cooling mode for 20-ish minutes, and if you left the water puddle on it, it will form ice, as you see here, and it will actually freeze the stuff in place. So now I'm going to show you going to heating mode. In the middle is off, so when it's off, it's off. Then you go to heating mode. You watch the temperature start rising pretty quickly, and you will watch this ice start to melt. It melts from the bottom where the cold plate is. So once it's beyond frozen, you can see this start to float. You see, okay. So you see the ice is still here. You see the temperature rising. That's in the heating mode. So everything will melt pretty quickly. You see the ice start to melt away, and you watch the temperature rise. You can actually sort of count the time. So in a few minutes, you will see the temperature rise to 130, 120, 140 degree F pretty quickly. Let's leave it in action for a while until you see the temperature rising to the point when you know it is hot. You know it's hot enough for your coffee or your tea or your soup. Hopefully this is interesting to you, and thank you for watching the video. See, the ice is still here. ican has about 40 watts of heating power. So you can do the math to figure out how many minutes, how long it will take for you to heat up certain things for so many degrees. This is the temperature of the summer. Water has a very high heat capacitance, so when you try to change the temperature of water, it takes a lot of energy. So that's why it warm up slower with the water on it than if it's just the bare plate. So this plate is about this big, so when it is in cooling mode, you will actually see, if you have water drop here, you will see ice start to form around the corners too, so the whole thing becomes frozen. The temperature when the human skin feels burning hot is around 140 degrees, around 140 is 60 degrees C. So if you see this heats up to, this is pretty warm, heat up to 130, 140 degree F, you know it is hot. So this is becoming pretty hot. My finger cannot stay on it for too long. And you can probably see a little bit of steam coming off. Because you see the steam coming off, the water started to evaporate. It's getting pretty hot. It's harder to see from the camera to see the steam, but I can see the steam. Well, you can see the water started to dry up at least. See the steam? Now it's 140, 134 degrees, 135. I can see the steam. You can see the water start to dry up. So if I spread the water around, you can see it dries up pretty quickly now. It's hot. So ican has a sensor in it that will limit the temperature to around 140 degrees. So I'm going to stop the video right now. As you can see, it is getting there already. Thank you for watching.